Hello guys, good morning. In this video, I will teach you how you can download and install the Netbeans. So Netbeans is our main IDE for coding for Java. So to install Netbeans, just search Netbeans. So you need to add Netbeans IDE. Then you need to specify version, which is we need 8.2, and we also need the NetBeans with JDK. So the meaning of JDK is Java Development Kit. So we are a developer, so that's why we need JDK. So since NetBeans 8.2 is older than the latest version, so you need to check for the archive version. So you can check from here. Okay, so this is the old version of NetBeans. So we use older version to adapt with the Comlab's computer. So since the Comlab is not a latest version, so we need to adapt older version of NetBeans. So you can download whether the Windows IE or the x64. It depends upon your computer. So in my end, I will be downloading the x64. I think it will take time, so I will just pause the video. Okay, so the download is already completed, so you can now install the NetBeans. So let's minimize. So we have the GDK. So in my end, this is the default location. But anyway, you can change the location. Just select the location of your drive, which just has a enough space. So you can just uncheck this one. It will also take time, so let me pause the recording. So after 15 minutes, it's already 75%. the installation usually takes time. So sometimes it depends upon your specs. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes. Okay, so it's 97%. So after you install the NetBeans, it will try to validate if the installation is complete so that you cannot encounter any issue during your coding. So it will reach until 100%. So let's wait. Okay. So the installation has been completed, meaning the installation is complete and ready to use. By the way, you need to uncheck this one, then click finish. Okay, so that's how you can install the NetBeans. And if you will check the control panel, so we have the NetBeans IDE 8.2, and we also have the desktop application. It is a shortcut only. Then you can check the file location. So we have the installer located in the C drive, program files, NetBeans 8.2. So you can now use the NetBeans. So since we already have the NetBeans, next thing is you can just right click and open. So this is the NetBeans IDE. So you can now start coding with Java. So the first thing you need to create is, for example, if you want to start a new project, you can just click File, New Project. Then you need to specify Java application. Then next, then you need to specify the location also. So I think the location is good. So let's proceed. Finish. So this is the initialization of the project. So we can now start the actual coding. So for example, if you want to create a iframe, so if you want to add a screen, you can so just just right click the package name and new, just click JFrame. So the meaning of JFrame is Java frames. So if you want to add, just click and add a name. So in this part, uh, just to make sure that you are the one who makes the project, just provide your full name. Okay, so we have the iframe now, and you can run that one by just clicking this one. So you can check the output. So it will try to build the JFrame that we have created. Then since the JFrame it is not the main Java frame, and if you want to run the exact frame, you can also right click the frame and just click run file. So we all now we have now uh, the JFrame, which is as of now it is empty. So as you can see here, we have the component, and you can actually use all the components. For example, for the buttons, you can just drag the button, and we also have uh, text field, and we also have the password field if you want to create a login. So we also have the most common things that we are using is the text area, also text area. This one is the text area. So if you want to run, right click, then run file. So as you can see, we have the button, we have the text area, and we have the password, and we also have the text area. So that's how you can install and use the NetBeans. Thank you.